There are so many well-known Selena photos out there, and some that you may have never even heard of or seen. We spoke to two men, one a Selena superfan who attended over 50 concerts, and another a photographer who was very close to the Quintanilla family. Their rare photos give us a glimpse into why she was so special to so many people. Selena, in some sense, grew up in front of a crowd and a camera. Ramon Hernandez, a former Express News and La Prensa writer and photographer, first met her and her family when she was just 13 years old.
I saw her perform at Rosehill, and I saw all this raw talent and the way she presented herself to the fans, and it was just a natural showmanship.
At that point, he knew he had to capture her true essence.
And I went to Abraham and I told him that I'd like to help them out and I'd like to interview her. So I did interview her for the Express News at that time, did her first interview, and we became friends. I went to Corpus, and they came over to my mother's house when we met the first time. I took them in the backyard, we shot some pictures.
For the next 5 years, Ramon traveled off and on with Selena y Los Dinos and captured many memories.
As a photographer, I did 5 album covers for her, and from the onset, I mean, she was so spontaneous, so full of joy, and she couldn't stand still. I mean, she was full of that energy.
And it was that same energy that captivated Jose Rios. He went to his first Selena show in Houston back in 1988 after hearing her music.
There was this big gap. You couldn't go between the audience and the stage. And I was like, oh man, then they were not gonna let me through. But I sat down there and I waited for her to like look my direction. And I pointed at the roses and I pointed to her, and she did like, come here. And I reached up and I gave her the roses and kissed her on the cheek. And that's how it all began.
Jose would continue to follow Selena y Los Dinos, and he took pictures each time he went to a performance. And every time, Selena would recognize him.
And she was just such a genuine person. Every time I saw her, she would remember me and she would dedicate songs to me.
He attended over 50 performances, and that resulted in over 700 pictures of Selena y Los Dinos. And each one is a special moment or memory he will never forget.
I remember people always telling me that these pictures are going to be worth something one day. And I certainly wish it wasn't for this reason. I would have rather it have been something else, you know, for her.
And these rare photos, just another glimpse at how amazing of a person Selena really was.
Just treasured memories, definitely treasured memories.